Let's take it home and make it better. I didn't think that would work, but it did, so we're happy. That's close. It's a bit by there. Yeah. Gosh, you can see it. You probably see it better than me because I'm blind as a friggin' baboonie. A little call out to Little Al. Little Al. He's watching my videos now. I thought anybody watching my videos. Sometimes, if you're lucky, and you know I'm fucking not, Robert, stop your fucking swearing. Sometimes they will absolutely just fucking go. Looking at liquid gold. So we'll just buff out now. Well, you know, buff means grind, but I'm not into all these words because I got my head is full up with other stuff. So I don't know what that was called. That dick thing will come up there. I don't know what it was called, and I really, honest to God, don't care what it was called. As I said, I probably know more than I should I probably know more than I should. So I'm not caring. And I can't find a key now for this fucking thing. It's like I got a grip like a gorilla. Hey, you fucking gorilla. Yeah, I don't want to go into learning new words at the moment. Right, and there endeth today's lesson. You got that. I'm not going to polish it, and you got that. And you got Volkswagen. Oh, I can hide that piece of shite. There. Thanks for watching. I'll try and do something completely different. Like I'm going to be looking at. You know, that's odd. I'm going to be looking at Harley Davidson. The Harley Davidson sign. I fancy doing. Okay, my friends. Thank you for watching. Thank you for putting up with me. Thank you for watching me burning myself, which I just did, but I'm not going to cry. And we'll use Farm Bank to take Hot Superman to the sink, and I'll see you soon.